Guys, I'm Rick. Alright guys, I'm recording right now. Okay. So guys, today we're going to be doing a YouTube video. Right now I'm reuniting with my friends Ussie. He moved schools last year, and Leah is still in the school, but like this is a reunion for me. And I'm gonna go teleport to what's his name? Hong. Oh yeah. Wait, I'm gonna call him Cheesy Boy. I'm going to take his identity a secret. You guys didn't hear his name. Alright. Okay, he's loading. Okay, whatever. Anyway. So, alright. Right now, I'm with Fasai, and this is my friend right here. I moved school and she moved school, and we so Leah and Ussie, we are gonna have a reunion. I'm gonna give you a free pet. Pet us. I'm gonna give you a free pet us. Join your family. Alright. I'll give you a free pet. Alright, what should I give him? Alright. I'm gonna give him something. I don't know. I mean, I have so much good pets. I'm not gloating. Okay, I give him Devil. Wait, this is my only one! Maybe I could give him a Bandicoot. Lucky. I mean, like, it's lucky because Hey, can I do something? KK. I said, KK. I'm a glitch? Glitch? What do you want a glitch for? Thanks. So, I gave him a lucky Bandicoot. I think you will not do it. I will. I think. I think. I can't believe I'm saying this. Please be an easy thing for me to do. Why? You just glitched out of the... What? Okay, whatever. Can I use your new preference? Yeah. I have a question. If you scam me, I will scam you back. Okay? 1,000,000 times. Okay, done. Alright. If you scam me, okay, he's like, it's a weird face. Okay, I'm going to, what pet should I give him? I'm just gonna give him the neon cat. I don't want to give him my neon rideable dog. Now, I can make a neon cat back. I'll just... I'm scared I'm gonna get scammed. If I get scammed, I'm gonna cry on camera. Wait, I don't have a face cam. Alright. Just declare. Wait, okay. Let's see. What? Okay. Wait. Okay, here. Yeah. Okay. What did he do? There's nothing. I love Piggy. Who's that? Oh, okay. I'll invite you. Yay. Oh no, she left the server. Okay, I'm gonna be eating some food. Bro. Oh, oh, he invites me. Wait, I have an idea. Lol, I'm hungry. Let's fly against the world. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I forgot stuff. Oh, there. What a sacred land I could understand. I've been. Oh, look at Hulk. He's like, get me off of here. Yeah, I'm racing you. Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah, I can't do that. Taking me to the school. Okay. Huh? I don't know how much. Okay. So, okay, this is a happy reunion so far. I'm gonna take him to the school. I didn't really answer him, but let's go. Please be on my back. Please still be on my back. Okay, alright. Okay, good dream. I'm coming too. Alright. Alright. Wait, why did I talk like that? Alright, let's go. Okay, I'm going to school. Thanks. Okay. No problem, man. Anything to do with my... Also my best friend. Okay, I have a lot of best friends. I'm just wondering that why do I have so much best friends? Stop writing this. Yeah, I'm your BFF. Okay. Let me look. Just gonna invite him too. Alright. You already invited. Steal the apple. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna get 1,000,000 apples. How about that?
No, don't you do.
I already did. Dude. Alright, let me look at my food. I only got 3 apples. Oh, you gave me an apple. Okay, never mind. I got cheese, which I'm gonna save for my rat. You know that I have a golden rat. Wait, what's this? Oh, okay. I thought I had like I was holding something. I'm gonna wear. No, I'm not gonna wear. Tattoo. Oh, come on, jump. Okay, there. I couldn't jump. I'm going to show everyone my. Oh wait, what? Who's this? Wait, is this a roleplay? Are they right now roleplaying? Wait, who's this? Nicka chicka rah rah. Okay, what does he want? Okay, I'm kind of scared. What? What? What do you want? Okay. What? So fierce.
What do they want?
Just nothing. Okay, why are you on my... Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna pick up cheese guy. Pick me up, please. How am I supposed to do that? Okay. Let me just do this instead. Everyone. Alright. Everyone. He. Okay, whatever. Alright, let's go. Wait, I have an idea. Wait, can I have a pet too? Wait, where's my pet? Okay, go close. Okay. Fly away. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna pick up. Oh man, I thought I could do it. Alright, guys, let's go. Just kidding, bruh. Job baby. Wait, I'm trying to do something first. Alright, who wants to be in a rocket racer? Raise your hands up because I'm going already. You didn't raise your hand up, dude. Bro.
I'm going with my cycle.
Wow. I can't do this. I'm gonna do something funny. Help. Oh my gosh. Can't do this. It's hard. Is Crust's name change? Yeah. To Crustia. Cruster. To Cruster. I can't move. Okay, whatever.
This house has so good milk.
What? I'm gonna do a lucky animal. Go Lucky Glow! Oh, holy Jesus. Holy McJesus, right. Oh, okay, where's Hong? Wait, why is there... What? You still have a dragon? You said you got scammed. Okay, I was shocked. Let's go to Cheese. Okay. Bro. Come on, let's play, bro. Wait, what? Hey, wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna be a baby. Wait, real quick, I'm gonna be a baby. Let's switch to baby. Right now, I'm not on my face cam because I don't want to be. Wait, I want to get picked up by him. Because oh wait, he's a baby, never mind. Okay, run. I can't run in this game, I forgot. Alright. I haven't played Adopt Me in a long time. So I'm a bit rusty. Alright. What's up, man? Oh. Wait, are you older than me or you Ari watch? Okay. 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 Oh, okay. I'm eating. Oh!
Eric, you have some food?
Holy McHoly! Okay, I'm gonna say, I'll try.
What did Hong do?
He literally sprung up. Yeah, he said again. I said, that was awesome. I'm gonna say, that was awesome. Okay. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, go. Whee! I actually know that before, but like, I never sprung this high before. I said it was cool. Whoa. My dog is following me. Me hungry. Okay. Whoa! I never. Wait. No. Okay, I don't want. Stop GPS. Okay. I'm gonna eat something real quick. I'm gonna eat an apple. Yeah. Woohoo! Ow. That was amazing! Okay. So, see you guys later. Happy reunion!